Hi, I'm Anna. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Reactive Blocks. Since Reactive Blocks is an Eclipse plugin, you will need a full Java developer kit and Eclipse installed on your computer. I will assume that you already have Eclipse 4.3 up and running. If you need help on this, visit our website bitreactive.com. Start by opening Eclipse. Go to Help and install new software. Type the Bitreactive update site click Add and choose a name for the repository. I just typed Reactive Blocks. And then you choose Reactive Blocks to be installed. And hit Next. Accept the terms of the license agreement. And finish. The installation process may take up to a minute as there are several update sites that are contacted and dependencies that need to be calculated. When finished, you will be asked to restart Eclipse. Next step is to open up the Reactive Blocks perspective. Go to Window and Open Perspective. Click Other, and here you'll find Reactive Blocks. You're now ready to start using Reactive Blocks. Here you see the different views. You have the Blocks view and the Package Explorer view. You need to be in the Blocks view to see and open projects and libraries and to create new blocks and projects. Now there are no projects or libraries. A good place to start is by importing an example. Now you're asked to sign in. You need to be signed in to download projects and building blocks, so go ahead and sign in. Let's choose the email example. Accept the terms of the license agreement. The system will open up automatically. The system consists of one building block and two Java operations. When you double-click on a block, you can see what it looks like inside. If you double-click on the operation, you will see the Java code. You can click the tab to navigate back to the diagram. See if you can edit the Create Email operation to use your Gmail ID and password.